These are the 5 fastest cars in the world, and number 1 will surprise you. Let's start with number 5, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. This car can reach speeds over 270 miles per hour. Powered by a quad-turbocharged W16 engine, it produces around 16.0 horsepower. It's not just fast, it's built for stability at extreme speeds. At number 4, we have the Hennessy Venom F5, an American hypercar designed to break limits. It aims to reach over 300 miles per hour. With over 18.0 horsepower, this car is pure power. At number 3, the SSC Tuatara, a car built for one purpose: speed. It has recorded incredible top speed runs, making it one of the fastest ever. Number 2 is the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut. This Swedish hypercar is designed to be the fastest Koenigsegg ever made. Its aerodynamic design reduces drag to extreme levels. And finally, number 1, the Rimac Nevera, an electric hypercar that changes everything. It produces nearly 2,000 horsepower and delivers instant acceleration. This proves that electric cars are the future of speed. So which one would you choose?